my channel. So for today's video, I'm sorry I have a Christmas tree in my background because I love so much my Christmas little tree here, and I don't want to remove today, so I clean everything like at the end of the month. Okay? So for today's video, I'm gonna do like an unboxing. Hi Coco, how are you? Ciao amore, ciao amore. Allora Coco, ora cantiamo, pronta? Oh my god, Coco lyrics opera singer like Maria Callas. Guys, so for this video I'm gonna unbox these packages from Banggood. Open this too. Guys, yes, this is, oh, how cute, guys. We are not in the holiday season anymore, and this is a room decor, like very Christmas decoration. I don't know, but they are a little bit late. The other one is this, and this is super cute because it's more vintage, shabby chic. I don't know, I love this one more. And yeah, this is super cute. I start to do the video for this, so coming very soon in my channel, guys. So. Un altro pacco che c'era è uno squishy! Oh my god, this is my first squishy whole time, guys. I'm so excited. So yes, this is my first squishy. Okay. Oh, I don't know if this is like the original squishy, but yo, ew, are you kidding me? Guys, this is so chemical. Oh my god. But okay, wait. Yo, it's impossible to smell. Why? So the smell is like too much alcohol-y. I don't know why, guys, but it reminds me like whiskey. Ew. But guys, oh my god, this is insane. But I don't know if this is the original squishy, but okay, let's try with you. Oh my god, I'm so excited to squishy. Okay, so let's get started. What? Oh my god, sorry guys, this is my first squish. It's like anything in life, so I don't know. So okay, let's do this. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god, what the... This is the best thing ever. I love it so much. But oh guys, oh my god, this is so slow rising. I think the pronunciation is this, and oh yes, this is a piece of bread. I think the smell is cute. Maybe I can put like here maybe one night so the smell is better, but I don't know if this is the original material, original squishy. It reminds me so much like a rosetta, the panino in Italy. So much tartaruga maybe. We have a bread called tarto, in Italian tartaruga. This is like a tarto, you know. Oh my god, so I love it so much, guys. This is my first squishy, and I, oh my god, love it so much. Oh my god, oh babe, I'm your dear, overwhelmed with you tonight. Finally, I have the sensation in my life. So I finally see what is a squishy and what is the material, and this is so incredible. It's like an incredibly spongy material, but also so soft and incredibly hairy and stressful, like. And so yes guys, this is everything for the packaging. I know this video is so short, but don't worry, because in the next I'll do the miniature house. I'm so excited. I already opened this, and I'll do this miniature house with you guys in my next video. So of course guys, don't forget to download my single, and if you listen to my single, please send me a selfie with you with your headphones, like I I need your selfie, guys. I need your feedback. So please tell me with a message and send me your selfies. I'm so excited to see your reaction, guys. Follow me on my social media to connect with me and my update. And yes, we will see you in the next video. Oh my god. Bye.